Many of you let us know about a massive police presence along Embassy Road tonight. We asked John Henry to head out that way and find out what was going on.
I'm here at Sheridan Circle in Northwest Washington, where a century-old international dispute grabbed a whole lot of attention during rush hour.
Up Massachusetts Avenue, 3 blocks north of DuPont Circle, sits the Turkish ambassador's residence, ground zero for an argument so passionate that it attracted hundreds. On one side of the street, Armenian Americans, the other, Turkish Americans. Their disagreement over how to classify an event that took place over 103 years ago.
The Armenian American community of Greater Washington has come out to protest against the Turkish government.
The Armenians believe Turkey committed genocide against more than 1 million of their people beginning in 1915. A matter of fact, Tuesday marked Armenian Genocide Remembrance Day.
We are angry that the Turkish government hasn't recognized it truthfully, that they haven't acknowledged their history.
They will state their cause, we will state our cause.
These protesters have a very different point of view. They side with the Turkish effort.
That supports a protocol to create a historical commission to look into the Armenian issue from 1915.
There's no telling when both groups will come to an agreement, but at least here in D.C., things ended up being more peaceful than they were a year ago. Back then, when Turkish President Recep Erdogan came to town, blood literally spilled into the streets between the two sides. Not the case today with all of the police present.
A huge space between us.
Definitely a different scene indeed. From Northwest, John Henry, WUSA 9.
Armenian protesters have called on President Trump to classify the incident as a genocide. New Jersey Congressman Frank Pallone has also called on the president to take that action.